It's a little darker though.
Right.
Awesome.
You could just sit here for another half an hour and then it'd be dark.
This is a spring here, and it is a cave that is blowing some seriously cold air coming out. If you see mud all over us, that's because we went into one of the springs that got dried up. I didn't take you guys with me inside. I wasn't sure what was quite in there and got a little excited once to see it opened up and you could go a little ways before it would sump out. But we got a little dirty. Anything in there?
I'm sure that goes for a really long way because it's blowing a lot of really cold air, but it's not big enough for us to fit in.
Our goal today, we've been out trying out our rooftop tent on top of our Tacoma, camping and been exploring. Today we're going to do preserves, and we got 2 on the docket today. All these rocks here are limestone, and then you got a nice ledge here. This state with Georgia and Tennessee make up the tag area, and they got some whopper of some caves here. They got holes and pits that drop 200 feet or so, so you got to be careful where you're going. The ground just opens up here and it could be a massive tunnel, but we're walking up here to go see a waterfall. I believe it's from a spring. My wife spotted this little hole. Somewhere there's possibly a way to get in, but it goes down. It's hard to see. Let me see if I can get in here, show you how far this sucker goes. So it goes way down in there. I don't know if I can actually get it because it's so tiny. But just this one little hole right here. This mountain's just completely filled with that. So here's the entrance. Wasn't far away. So here's the ruins of the mill. These are real skinny. Curious, but skinny.
Like, that's just the first level.
This is a massive sink right here. The waterfall was amazing. Cute little friend up here. Owner's on a hammock. But that is a huge hole. A drop, vertical drop, probably over 100 feet to get down into the actual cave, which runs along this whole mountain over here. We're gonna take this other trail and check it out. took Falling Springs down the mountain, and even though it's a longer way to go, you might want to consider taking it. It's a less strenuous trail to get to the top. The other one, parts of it was like just straight up the mountain, and it was a pretty good leg burner. And then the trail was not as well marked over there, but definitely bring plenty of water and prepare for a climb no matter which one you go. And there's a lot of little leg twisters and stuff as well, but it is a beautiful place to hike though. It's really amazing. We drove a short distance from the one preserve down here to Keel Mountain Preserve, going up to see another waterfall coming out of a spring. Very similar area and very similar trail, rocky and going up a hill. We've been walking on a flat spot for a while, and that is when you know you're getting close to the climax of climbing back up the mountain. So that last part there is quite a slog. So prepared for getting up there. Woo-wee. This sinkhole looks like it goes down 75 feet at least.
It's taller than that. I would say that cliff is probably 200 feet.
Looks like where the water's coming out for the waterfall out of the ground up in here.